Adonai, O Thy great creator, O Master of all beings, O Creator of all beings, both big and small, mighty and terrible, dreadful is He. Praise Yahweh, He rules night and day, Alpha and Omega, beginning nowhere, head creator, master and friend. He created all living beings, both big and small, seen and unseen. He's got the whole world in His hand, and it's time we overstay. Just got the whole world in His hand. He's got me and your mother in the palm of His hand. In the Genesis of Mother Earth, when Jah created the universe, and the earth was without form and void, and then Jah said, "Let there be light," and then He separated the land from the waters. Then He saw that it was good. Just got the whole world in His hand, and it's time we overstand. Just the universe in His hand. He's got me and you, Papa, in the palm of His hand. And then God said, "Let the earth bring forth grass, every herb yielding seed, and every fruit bearing tree." And as He spoke, yes, it was so. Yes, and that's why we all should know. Just got the whole world in His hand. And this time we overstand. Just the universe in His hand. He's got me and you, brothers and sisters, in the palm of His hand. Yeah. Praise Yahweh, He rules night and day. Yeah. Praise Yahweh, He rules night and day. Just like the whole world in His hand. In the time